The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hamilton County in East Tennessee until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Signal Mountain, or 5 miles northwest of Chattanooga, and moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail may also accompany these damaging winds. Locations in the warning include Chattanooga, Harrison, Red Bank, Middle Valley, East Brainerd, Altoona and Collegedale. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.